5 ways to create killer product descriptions for your Etsy shop. As you probably already know, millions of products are being sold on Etsy every day. This means that you have to make your products stand out somehow. One of the best ways to make your products in Etsy store stand out is to write killer product descriptions. There are a number of ways you can do this. A lot of people use templates for product descriptions, and professionals stress the importance of talking more about benefits than features. Let's take a closer look at the best tips and tricks for creating killer product descriptions that will drive more traffic to your Etsy shop. 1. Use keywords. Using keywords is really important when you're writing descriptions for your Etsy products. Keywords are the words or phrases that people type into the search bar when they're looking for things to buy on Etsy. If you include the right keywords in your descriptions, it makes it more likely that your products will show up higher in the search results. Etsy uses your descriptions to figure out which products to show to people, so if you use the right keywords, it can help more people find and buy your products. 2. Be detailed. Although it may take a little practice, it is possible to be detailed in your product descriptions while also being concise. Potential buyers will be eager to gather as much information as they can about the product they're thinking of buying. It's important to provide details like the size, color, and materials used in your products, along with any special features that make your products unique. The more descriptive you are, the more likely it is that visitors to your Etsy shop will actually make a purchase. 3. Use bullet points. Bullet points tend to be easier to read than walls of text. Using bullet points is also a great way to highlight certain features when writing product descriptions, so you'll definitely want to make use of them whenever you can. I mentioned before that you can be detailed while also being concise. Using bullet points is an excellent way to do exactly this. You won't be forcing your customers to read long descriptions, but you'll still be providing them with all of the details they need about your products. 4. Make your product description scannable. Using punctuation and formatting effectively can greatly improve the clarity of your Etsy product descriptions. It's always a good idea to incorporate headings, bullet points, and other formatting techniques to make your listings easier for customers to scan. Of course, you'll also want to use correct grammar and simple sentences. The easier that your product descriptions are to understand, the better. 5. Find your voice. The way that you write sets the tone for your shop's unique personality and aesthetic. When creating your writing style, you'll want to consider who your customers are. What is the impression that you want them to have while visiting your Etsy shop? Voice makes more of a difference than you might think when it comes to writing Etsy product descriptions. Different voices are going to attract different types of customers, so it's important to keep your voice in mind. Ultimately, writing killer product descriptions for your Etsy shop is going to take some practice. As you can see, there's a lot to take into consideration. If you're not sure where to start, you may want to take a look at product descriptions on successful Etsy shops. You can also use a template to start and go from there.